This Apple computer is great. Except its 8 GB RAM is just too small. It can't handle the owner's workload. So, they found a technician to upgrade the RAM and also replace the battery. After opening the back cover, the RAM chips are under this protective cover. Unscrew the fixing screws. Remove the ribbon cable. Remove the motherboard. Now, open the protective cover. You can see 4 RAM chips. Heat with a hot air gun. Remove the old RAM chips and apply solder paste. Clean the soldering pads with a soldering iron. Then, use new solder wire. Finally, wipe it clean with a cleaning swab. Here are the new RAM chips. Let's use a vacuum to pick them up. And use a hot air gun to make the solder flow smoothly. The same process for the other 3. After the preparation, start installation. Apply solder paste. Use a hot air gun to firmly solder them to the motherboard. Done. After reassembly, let's power it on and check. It's successfully upgraded to 16 GB. Next, let's replace the battery. Using a battery spatula, remove the battery cells one by one. Clean up the battery adhesive. No residue. Okay. Take a lint-free cloth. Wipe off the remaining adhesive. Get the new battery. Firmly stick it to the inside of the case. Peel off the protective film. Finally, reassemble. After cleaning the back cover, screw in the 4 corner screws. Power on and check. The battery cycle count is reset to 0. The computer is now fully upgraded.